Thanks for dropping by and checking out this free video from Video Training. In this video, we're going to learn how to take a snapshot image of everything that's displayed on the screen and then be able to save all or just part of this picture so that we can do something else with it, like insert it into a document or into an email message, for example. This might be very useful if you're doing something like writing a procedure manual and you'd like to use screenshots as part of this document. Also, if you ever see an error message displayed on the screen, this allows you to capture that error message so that you can send it off to your IT support person and then maybe they can help you resolve the issue. In this example, I'm going to generate a warning message by pretending to delete this Excel icon on the desktop. I'm just going to right click on it, then come down and select delete. This warning message is going to be the object that we'll use as part of this training video. So now, to capture everything that's displayed on the screen except for the mouse pointer, all I have to do is press the print screen key. On my keyboard, the print screen key is toward the top right hand corner next to the F12 key. So I'll press this key now. Now, everything that's displayed on my screen has now been copied into a thing called the clipboard. The clipboard is a special piece of memory inside Microsoft Windows that's like a temporary holding area for information. So now, if I want to use this full image of my desktop, all I have to do is go to, say, my word processor, for example. I'll click on Microsoft Word. Now I just come up and click on the paste button, or as it says in the screen tip, I could also press Ctrl V, which is the keyboard shortcut for paste, but I'm just going to click on this button. And now we can see the full image has been pasted into my document. But what about if I don't want to use the full image? Maybe I only want to display this warning message. Let's take a look at how we do that. I'm going to click and then press delete to remove this image. And now I'm going to come up and minimize Microsoft Word. And now we're going to use good old Microsoft Paint. So to start Microsoft Paint, we come down and click on the Start button. Next we select All Programs, and then Accessories, and here we have Paint. All of these steps are exactly the same regardless of whether you're using Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. The only difference if you're using Windows XP is that this program is called MS Paint. So I'm going to click on Paint now to start the application, and of course the application starts up. So now all I have to do to paste a copy of my image into Microsoft Paint is come up and click on the Paste button, and here we can see our image. So to make a copy of just this part of this image, all I have to do is come up and click on the Select tool, as I've just done. In earlier versions of Windows, Microsoft Paint looked a little bit different, but the Select tool is in the top left-hand corner of the screen, so all you have to do is click on this icon. It looks very, very similar between all of the different versions of Microsoft Paint. So click on the Select tool, then come down and basically just draw a box around the part of the image that you would like to make a copy of. So I'm going to click and then drag. If you make a mistake and release the mouse pointer at the wrong time, just press the Escape key and start again. So I'll come back up to the top left-hand corner, then drag down to the bottom right-hand corner and release. And now we can see a white dotted line around this warning message. So I'm going to come back up and click on Copy. So now everything that was inside the clipboard has just been overwritten by only the contents of this box. So only this warning message now resides in the clipboard. So I'm going to minimize Microsoft Paint. Now I'm going to come back down and click on Microsoft Word. Then come back up and click on the Paste button or the Paste command. So now we can see only this part of the image has been pasted into our document. I'm going to minimize Microsoft Word. I can also come to my email program, Microsoft Outlook in this case, and compose a new email message, click down in the body of the email message, then again just click on paste, and this part of the image is now pasted into my email message so that I can send it off to my computer support person, for example. So don't forget, if you want to take a snapshot picture of everything that's displayed on the screen, all you have to do is press the print screen key. So that's a quick overview of how to use this basic screen capture facility that's built into Microsoft Windows. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and don't forget to check out some of our other free tutorials while you're here. Thanks for watching.